Welcome to another episode 3 of us doing this workshop up. We've got the hoist in. I went and bought myself a Nissan Cube because, you know, idiot. Wasting all my bloody time because I just want to drive it. Now we're trying to get the cooling system bled. It's been a nightmare anyway. That car has not been the most fun. So hopefully it's worth it in the end. Let's see. What we're going to do now is the epoxy flooring is getting done tomorrow. I forgot to bring down my DJI camera. So I've just got you on my mobile phone at the moment, so I apologise for the sound quality. Might just set you up, show you, emptying this place out, mate. Like, you've seen me build everything. We've got to get rid of this laundry tub, a shelf, all the oil drums I've been filling up down here because I haven't been able to use my IBC because I need to be able to keep it empty so I can move it out the front. The bin is completely chock-as full. I wasn't expecting to fill that up so fast. And then the accumulation of just junk on the floor. Most of the stuff's still in the van. We're just accumulating stuff. This is just pieces I've been replacing from the Nissan Cube. Trying to do compression tests and all that crap. And oh mate, the amount of stuff I've done to that thing. Too much time spent on this car. Bleed, bro. I thought I had it right, and then I went for a drive and it was blowing some coolant out the overflow bottle. And I was like, oh, what the hell. And then did all the tests because I was a bit worried about something more crazy being wrong with it because I put the thermostat. I put a new thermostat, new radiator cap, rocket cover gasket, spark plug tube seals, new coil pack. I had to put a couple of new tyres on it. She's registered. Look, nail plate on there. Right, let's go. Let's get this place cleared out. Who would want me to do a like music over the top of this? Ain't nobody want music over the top of this. So what we're gonna do is, look, I'm moving everything off my toolbox. Toolbox is in and out of the van a million times. Going to take the van outside. But now we're going to move some toolboxes, move that, move my oil boys. Got to take the fan apart, move the fan. Now we're going to take apart the shelving unit. So take everything off the shelf first. Take the shelf into that room. Blah blah blah. Don't scratch the vinyl floors. Be really careful. Now we're moving all the oil bloody tubs that I had to put all my oil in because I couldn't use my IBC. There, we got to move the bin, and then we got to move the IBC. IBC doesn't weigh too much now, but I still had to put it on a little trolley because I couldn't bloody maneuver it around and move. Some of these little partition boards, get those in there, and my beautiful laundry tub. Let's knock that into that room. Blop, there it goes, and sweep. Better get the cube outside. Bye cube, out you go. Let's put the hoist up. We got to put some water in the cube first. Put the hoist all the way up to the top. La. Swing those arms in and sweep. And we're done. Oh shit! There you go, guys. There you go. All done. Here is your floor before. I don't know what they're going to do with these bits because he did ask me, do I want the expensive job or the cheap job? And I did say, it's still costing me $4,500, so I don't expect it to be like, he said it's not going to be showroom finish because I think they quote for painting the floor, but I don't think that they quote for like grinding the concrete. I don't think that's just like included randomly. There's like patches like this where it's like, you know, someone spilled concrete here or something, but they're probably just going to paint over that. In my opinion, I don't really care. I don't actually care. And all these scrapes in the floor, I don't think they're going to fill all that where the forklifts hit. It's just going to get painted over the top of, I'm assuming. Right? Let's see. So there's your before, yeah? See ya when it's done or tomorrow when they start. I'm not sure what I'm going to record. Good morning. It's next day. I've got the epoxy guys about to get here. Nissan Cube, overheated on the way home. Bro, I'm so worried this thing's a head gasket. But I don't know. I'm not cutting corners, but I'm just trying to get it a speedy fix. So I've got some more work to do on the Nissan Cube. I don't know if I just rip it apart, just do a head gasket, do a new water pump. But I haven't, like, the radiator could be blocked. Yeah, I just cut in corners, you know. Fuck, it bled up all good. There's no bubbles at all. Passed the TK test. Car's doing my head in, right? But it's one of those things where it's like, do I just go all out? For maybe $200 more, I'll be able to do the head gasket and new water pump. And then watch it have a blocked radiator. I don't know. Anyway, more time to spend on that. Fresh day. It sucks that I've got to set all this back up again, but it wasn't too bad. You saw it wasn't too bad of a thing. But anyway, epoxy, let's go. This is going to look so sick. One last look from the top, guys. See you later, crappy floor. Here we go, guys. Epoxy flooring Redlands. I've seen this van around, and that's who I chose, and it's the same guys that Savage Tech used, so they did a good job over there. Alrighty, thank you, Epoxy Flooring. That was a good chat. We chatted about all the stuff, and he's like, yeah, mate, we'll grind that shit down. You know all that bits of concrete I was showing you, all those lumps and stuff? And I was like, oh, that'll just paint over that. No, he's going to grind that down. They're going to grind it down and fill all the holes and stuff. Oh my God, this is going to be so professional. Anyway, I got to go on the road, so we've got to hop off the camera. All right, I can't wait to show you guys. So he's doing all the prep work today and doing the primer coat and all that. And then the workshop will get locked up. Then we, tomorrow morning, I'll show you what it looks like, alright? So I'll catch us in the morning. Oh yeah, working time. I gotta go do a few jobs, bro, mobile. Just got back to the workshop. It's working hard inside. I've got the Nissan Cube. I'm gonna rip the radiator out of that donkey because I've got a new one coming over, a new radiator, and I've got a new water pump for it. We're gonna give that a try. Let's go upstairs. I wanna show you what this workshop's looking like. Have a go of that. Full renovation in here. This is too good, bro. You're doing too good a job. Filling all the holes. Hey, mate, look at this. This is great. It's fantastic. Oh, well, should have bought a Corolla, mate. This is what happens, bro. This is a massive job, bro. I just want to go home. Anyway, so, in here, here's a closer look for you. So you can have a little squizzy. It stinks. But all the prep work, look at it. That's all the prep. Tomorrow's going to be freaking great. Anyway, this job is fucked. Don't buy cars from the... I'm just over it. I made a mistake on this one. And we're too far in. You know when you spend too much? We're too far in now. It's literally... I've literally just... You know what? I'll just change the radiator. I'll change the thermostat. I'll change the radiator cap. I'll change the water pump. You know, just try all these things. Because we're getting all the signs of no water flow. We're not getting any head gasket signs, but that's going to be the last thing, and that's where we're heading. Fucking hell, this Nissan's going to be just parked up in the workshop or whatever, but I can't afford to give up now because I'm too far in. And it's a shitbox. Bad decision, right? Nissan Cube, bad decision. Fucking hell, should have bought a Corolla. Should have bought a GWM Cannon, mate. Bro. Alright, this thing is back together. Look at the coolant, mate. Look. This is not blown head gasket, bro. I'm telling you, I've changed everything. Right now I'm running it with no thermostat just to see. And I'm going to take these thermostats home because I want to test them out. And just to see if the new one that I bought... Look, I did a engine mount as well, see? Engine mount, that was so stuffed. Making so much noise, it was pissing me off. Alrighty, so we got the old thermostat. Which is what I thought, maybe it's just a thermostat stuffing up, right? So I replaced it with a brand new one. So I'm going to take that home, test it, and I bought a genuine one, which is at home, to go in. Because somebody said the aftermarket ones are a bit shit house. So I bought a genuine one as well. There's no fucking exhaust going in here, bro. I don't know, mate. Let's give it a rev. Anyway, that's it. That's it. I've got to go home. All done. Come back to this tomorrow. Go home, test these thermostats. This is not what this episode's about. This episode's about the workshop, bro. It is day 2, and that's right. The Nissan Cube is all back together. But still pushing coolant out, so I'm going to have to do the head gasket on it. So that's a job for next year. So there we go. We've got the epoxy fella over here getting the... he's in there grinding and stuff. They've done the floor so good. Anyway, I've showed you all that. He's in there getting that done. Today's the paint, so next time you see the floor, it's going to be done. I got to go to work. I got 2 mobile jobs now. I was going to do them here, but the stink of the paint is so hectic I couldn't get people to sit in the waiting room. So I have decided to head over. I've got one job at Yatla, and then another job at Pimpama, which isn't too bad. It's only down the road. So we'll get those done, and then we'll come back and check out this flooring. Whether I come back today or I'll just come back tomorrow. I showed him how to lock it up. I might come back tomorrow so I can go and have an early day, bro. It's Friday. It's my last day of the year, bro. Merry Christmas! Look back there, guys. Look, look, look. There's the new sign for the workshop, bro. Massive logo of this, bro. It's a massive, massive version of that logo there. It's gonna have me on it, bro, up on the roof of the building. How funny. So when you pull out your okay, there's Jordan, that's his shot, bro. You can tell because I'm up there. The epoxy guy's all done. He's messaged me, said he's all finished. So Danica and I are going to go out there tomorrow. He's locked it all up for us, but he says it's all done. You can go walk on it and shit tomorrow. So I was like, all right, well, may as well look at it tomorrow because I want to go walk out on it. Yeah, so I got the sign. I'm heading home. We'll go and see the epoxy together tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Let's go. Welcome to Saturday morning. We've just arrived. We're all down here at the moment. We're about to go drive down. We're going to pick up Danica's dad from down in Tweed, but we had to pop in here. Look at that sneak peek of the epoxy floor, bro. Oh my gosh, can't wait to open this thing up. Let's get inside. I've also got in the back here, as you know, you seen me yesterday, pick up the, oh my God, I can't open the door all the way. Anyway, pick up the sign. Then I went to Bunnings, got myself a new mop, and I got some extra lighting and stuff. So we've got to take that inside as well. Let's go and open this thing up and see what it's, oh, Nissan Cube, piece of shit. GWM Cannon, beautiful machine.
We're getting his reaction.
Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Bruh. Can you really, oh my God, it's like a mirror. Oh crap, it's hard. You can walk on it. He said you can walk on it. He goes, you can move back in today. Holy crap, this is a different world now.
It is, hey.
Whoa.
No, you're gonna make it all black.
I know.
I'm gonna make it all dirty. This is insane. Don't you get on all this stuff? Whoa. I feel like I'm gonna put footprints all over it.
Me too. I feel like I'm gonna stick to it.
Right? Yeah, I thought it was gonna be wet randomly.
It looks wet.
It does look wet because it's so done.
I got my feet off.
Oh, your feet's on it. It's the first worm.
That look awesome.
Yeah.
All right, you're up.
I'm exhausted. Man, you're saying
Smack my knees into the floor.
You're right. Look at it mirroring. It's. You can see your van twice.
So when females come in here, you can see directly up their dress. Oh no. Oh yeah, you can. Look, you can see your vagina.
Can you see yours?
I don't see anything.
Oh, there's your vagina. Do you want me to hang on one side and make it go faster?
Bro, what the hell is going on? Do the splits over at Danica.
Oh, yes.
Bro, this is insane. I don't just have like a workshop. I got like a nice workshop.
I'll hold another.
You know what I mean? It's not like I just got some crappy workshop. Look at the colour of the walls now. I need to paint the walls red.
Do you reckon?
Red?
I don't know. How do I make the walls pop? Maybe red.
Orange.
What are these little
Orange
dots in it?
walls, bro. Imagine that.
What are all these little dots?
That's all the place. He filled in so much holes. There was massive holes all through this floor. The finish of this is insane, considering there was massive holes. I just a bit of crap. It's all good. There was massive holes everywhere. And you had to fill in these. There was like massive concrete slab. I don't know if you remember. There was a huge chunk of concrete here.
I don't remember whatsoever.
And
There
all
was
here,
crap all over the top.
there was this massive amount of concrete all over the floor, and he chipped it all off and then grinded it all down.
What did the colour used to be?
And there was another one somewhere else in here. It was just cement like that outside. You don't like going backwards? Ready? I'll get you to spin round and I'll put it up against this one.
What even is this?
Here we go, time for the big reveal. Let's go, girls.
3, 2,
Yep.
1.
Oh my god, yes!
I love
Oh, how cool is that?
it. I love that.
Is that sick or what? Look at that massive WBTO mechanical. Have a go. Have a go. So that is going out here, smack bang up in the middle of the two windows up the top there. Clint's going to come over and hook me up. I gave him one of my Bluettis so he can come and help me, but it's going to go up there. See old mates over here? See that one up there? I'm going to have one like that, mate. It's going to look so sexy. I can't believe there's a massive picture of me on the front of a building. I'm my own billboard, bro, whatever. Huh? You got to make yourself famous. Huh?
That is it.
That's it? You love that?
Yeah.
That's so good. Righto, guys, I'm down here. We're about to install the sign. Clint's coming over very soon. I've got to start setting up. But this episode, that's a wrap. The end. I'll see you on the next one. Hey, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and all that. Christmas is in a couple of days, 2-3 days. There's the sign over there. That's going up on the front of the building. Then I have to reset up all my crap. I've got to put all the crap that you see me take out in this. I'll put it all back in here and make it look freaking spectacular. Righto, catch you later.